Hello everybody, welcome to another video here from Mumbai in India. Today I'm going out for a trip. We're going to a place called Gateway of India. So I have to cross the road here and then take the train over there. But I'm gonna also meet a friend that I met the other day. I think it's called the Gateway of India. And it's supposed to be this really interesting monument. So we will see once we get there, but first I have to hurry up and get a train. I think the station is here, hopefully. It's quite stressful actually here, trying to find the ticket and the train and where you need to go. I've been here a couple of times before. We stopped here at another station, but now we're going again, and you can see the station is packed with people here, and people are hanging out on the train also, including me. This is my friend from the water park from the other day. He's back. Today he's gonna be my tour guide, kind of. And we're here at the station called Churchgate, and we have to take a little taxi maybe to the Gateway of India, where we have a boat going to what is the name of the island? Elephanta Island. Elephant Caves. Hopefully we can make it there. Here we go! Churchgate. We have to really hurry now because the last boat is leaving at 2 and it's like 1:45. We still gotta get on the tuk-tuk. So we're running here. We cross the train station. Where do we go?
We are going to the gateway.
Gateway? Yeah. Hurry, 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 hurry. We're going here. Okay. Hello, how are you? Good?
Fine.
We had arrived in the south part of Mumbai, and it was like a totally different city. It reminded me of some parts in England.
We are in the nicer area of Mumbai here, right?
Yeah.
You said there are...
In Mumbai, you can find all kind of people.
All
the
kinds
rich,
of people.
the poor, the dirty, the most beautiful, everything.
Yeah.
And the city is too like that also.
Yeah.
You can find good areas and you can find both of that bad, filthy areas also, like slums and everything. So now we are in the more prettiest part of Mumbai.
This is the pretty part of Mumbai.
Yeah, one of the prettiest parts.
We are here now at the Gateway of India, and I just learned that British people used to rule India for more than 250 years. And I don't know actually all the information about this monument here, but I'm gonna find out more once we get in there. But we might not be able to stay for that long since we're gonna take a boat over to the Elephant Island.
British traders had first come to India in the early 1600s only for trade purposes. They sailed along the west part of Europe, north part of Africa, and through the Suez Canal and the Arabian Peninsula to arrive in the west part of India. 200 years after they arrived, they were controlling India and had built the Gateway of India to greet British King George V as he would arrive. But in 1947, India got its independence from the British after Mahatma Gandhi's many protests across the country. The Gateway is also a monument from where British troops left India in 1948.
We are on the way over to the Elephant Island. We just passed by the Gateway of India over here. That was quite cool. Here we can see the island over there. we've been on the boat here for almost 1 hour now, and here is the island finally coming up on the right hand side. We have arrived, and we're gonna be learning some more about Hinduism here today, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna teach us once we get to the caves over here.
We get to the caves and tell you.
We had arrived at the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Elephanta Island, where carvings and statues can be found that are around 4,000 years old. It's believed that the religion of Hinduism was also formed and created about 4,000 years ago. We walked through the crowd and also saw a small little train that goes back and forth on the island.
Oh, we're walking up the mountain now. It's hot, hot, hot. And soon we're gonna be seeing some religious stuff here. We are inside now. I had to pay 600 rupees, but everybody from India needed to pay only 40, so that's like 15 times more for foreigners. But it's not that much. 600 rupees, I think, is not all that much.
One of the main gods of Hinduism, Shiva, is depicted on the majority of the walls. He is the god of destruction, and his role is to destroy the universe in order to recreate it. Hinduism is the third largest religion in the world, with 1.2 billion followers. These detailed carvings were created more than 4,000 years ago by the indigenous people of India. Here you can see Hinduists worshipping the god of Shiva deep inside the cave. They believe that what you do in this life will haunt you or reward you in your next life after being reincarnated.
There are 5 different chambers in here, and can you believe that people 4,000 years ago were capable of creating something like this? And like just opening up this huge stone cave and using probably a chisel and hammers and stuff like that.
There were more openings to the different chambers along the island, and also lots of monkeys climbing in the trees and drinking water from bottles.
Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Hot, hot, hot. Here you can see Bombay all the way in the back, where we came from earlier. Over there. Here we have some kind of cannon, a huge cannon on top of this island. Probably they used it over here. Now there are trees here, but before there were trees, probably they used it as a defense mechanism.
I'm not sure what these were used for, but perhaps for the conflict between the British and the Indian people a while back.
I'm in the tree, I'm in the tree. Here's the first blue sky I've seen since I've been in India. If you look over there on this side, we have Bombay. It's all white, it's like a white fog.
There was a thick layer of pollution hovering above the city. Carbon dioxide and other gases also trap heat and make it hotter outside. Perhaps that's a contributing factor to why there's a devastating heat wave over India now. It's like you put a glass jar over Earth to trap the heat.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi says his country is getting too hot.
Pile of smouldering rubbish, 60 metres high.
It's time to head back and catch the boat. The boat is leaving in about 20 minutes, I think. So we have to go so we don't get too late to the boat. I have 22 more days. You can get 30-day visa in India. I might go to Southeast Asia somewhere, like Bali or Thailand or the Philippines. Also Mexico, I like Mexico. And Maldives. India has been really interesting also. The people are so friendly here. That's what I like the most about India. Maggie. Just Maggie.
We got some traditional noodles and started heading back to the boat again.
We're on the way back to the ferry now and eating the noodles for 50 rupees. Oh, so spicy. I'm really sweaty from the noodle. The cow was harassing me a bit because I think he wanted my noodles. He came with his horn.
It was interesting to learn more about India, but also scary to see the skyline of Mumbai with all the contaminated air.
Hello my friend, how are you? We have arrived to back here to outside the gateway of India. This huge building and also a huge hotel here and thousands of people everywhere. Here it's just full. On my way home or back to the hotel and something was wrong with the train, so it stopped and now we need to wait for the next train. Killed in here. Yeah. She's stuck. Nobody can go. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Let's Here comes the next people in. Boom. Oh, look at this. I can't wait to go. Get into the hotel and just relax and sit down and have it a bit quiet. I'm feeling like Here we have some chickens in cages. Look, 4 chickens here sitting here in this little cage. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave it a thumbs up and post a comment as always. And if you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe to the channel. But see you in the next video. See you in the next video.